Okay, good evening to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about mole. What is the definition of mole? The term mole was introduced by Ostwald in 1896. The term mole was introduced by Ostwald in 1896. In 1896. This is a Latin word. It is a Latin word. That means heap or pile, means a fixed amount of a substance. Okay, how to define? The term mole was defined as simply the amount of the substance that contains. Okay, what is the definition of mole? The amount of the substance. The amount of the substance that contains many entities or many particles, that contains many particles such as atoms or molecules or ions or electrons that can exactly present in 12 gram of C12 isotope is called a mole. The amount of the substance that can contain as many particles like atoms, molecules or ions or electrons also, that exactly presenting 12 gram of C12 isotope is called a mole. For example, if you take let us calculate the number of atoms present in a 12 gram of C12 isotope. To calculate the number of atoms present in, number of atoms present in 12 gram of C12 isotope. Simply number of atoms formula. Number of atoms in 12 gram per mole of C12 isotope is equal to 12 by 1.9967 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. Here gram for mole. 12 by 1.9927. You can observe this value. This value is nearly 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Gram. So that is 1 mole. 1 mole is equal to 6.0023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms or moles, number of atoms. This number is indicated by the symbol Na, or simply N, that the name is called then the number is called Avogadro number. Avogadro's number. What is Avogadro number, sir? Simply Avogadro number The number of entities, the number of entities in 1 mole of a substance. The number of entities of 1 mole of a substance. 1 mole of a substance is equal to the number of atoms or the number of ions, number of molecules or compounds. The number of entities is nothing but 1 mole. The number of entities in 1 mole of a substance is called Avogadro number. Denoted by symbol is a capital N or Na. This is information about what is a mole, how to calculate the number of atoms present in a 12 gram of C12 isotope. To calculate the number of atoms present in a 12 gram of C12 isotope is equal to, that is 12 gram per mole by 1.9927 into 1.2 divided by 1.9927 into 10 to the power 23. That value is 6.02 to 10 to the power 23. This is called Avogadro number. Okay, this is information about what is the definition of mole. Okay, thank you. Okay, next video we will continue what are the applications of mole concept. Mole. Thank you.